years. How are you? Are you okay?
Yes.
Good. Today we are going to be learning about the argumentative essay, one of the necessary essay in a writing one. It's very important for the writing at school or exams or on IELTS or on SAFER exams. And now I will show you a short video, and you will take notes after while watching the video. Okay? And here is a handout in order to take notes. Please share it, and half of them here. Share it with your peers. While they're watching the video, you will take notes. Okay? Here is about 1.5 minute video. Good? Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Now let's start.
Argumentative essay. Most argumentative essays have 5 paragraphs, an introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion.
Take notes.
The introduction. The introduction begins with a hook, an attention-grabbing statement about the topic. The hook is followed by 2 to 3 background sentences about the topic. The last part of the introduction includes a clearly defined, and it is followed by reasons that support the argument. Body paragraphs 1 and 2. The first 2 body paragraphs provide reasons, evidence, and explanations to support the argument presented in the thesis. Examples of credible evidence include examples, quotes, facts, and statistics. It is important to give credit to the author whose work is used as evidence. Credit is provided with an in-text citation and a reference list citation. The in-text citation includes the author's last name and the year of publication. Finally, an example or explanation is provided to show what the evidence proves. Body paragraph 3. The third body adds credibility to the essay and helps gain the reader's trust. The counter-argument is followed by the rebuttal. The rebuttal provides a reason to disprove the counter-argument. To be effective, the rebuttal should be supported with credible evidence and an explanation. The conclusion. The final paragraph of an argumentative essay restates the thesis, summarizes the reasons that support the thesis. Our channel grow by hitting the like button.
That's it, guys. Have you taken notes? Yes? Okay, great. Now turn to your partners, and use the strongest point that mentioned in your note taking, okay? And you will discuss with your peers, which you take note from the video, main points, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's discuss it, and you have the 3 minutes for it, okay? Then after the discussion with you, we will discuss it together. Clear? Is it clear? Discuss it with your peer. Start the discussion.
Body paragraphs from body paragraphs we have 1 and 2. And first is transition words and reason, evidence, and explanation. We have 30 body paragraphs, and it's
Okay, guys, have you discussed that?
Yes.
Okay, now I have a question. Let's hear a few main discussions from you. What makes an argument strong? What makes an argument stronger than the others? Explanation. Reason. Okay, why explanation makes the argument stronger? Why? Nilüfer, can you answer for this one?
We can paraphrase the topic for this body, and we can give reason. That's why it can
Make stronger. Make stronger. Thank you very much. And the next one is explicit instruction for the 10 minutes. Now look at your handouts. Can you see it? Okay. The key points from the video. Now, Ramesh, can you read your key points from the video? Key points from the video. Have you watched? Background, okay. What else? If you notice that in your paper, in your handouts, I have written that one key point is the beginning of the sentences. Can you see it? Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, then you may use it and tell to me what is your main points from the video. Who can? Main points from the video which you have taken the notes.
Main point is for each body we should give explanation, reason, and
The first one, introduction.
transition.
Then
Second one is body 1 and body 2.
body 1 and body 2.
And body
Body
paragraph 3.
Body paragraph 3 and
Conclusion and reference list.
conclusion. Okay. In order to make our sentences or change our sentences meaning, what we use? What we use? Transition?
Transition words.
Transition words. Okay, can you give me examples for the transition words? Transition words.
Firstly,
Firstly, secondly,
on the one hand.
when we use the furthermore and in addition.
Yes, to add ideas.
To add ideas,
And
okay. And reason, okay, good. Now, guys, I will explain you how to write the argumentative essay, okay? Okay, first of all, argumentative essay, we will start from the introduction. Our today's topic is should students wear school uniform? Do you know what is a school uniform?
Yes.
Okay, it is, which is necessary and required from the main people from the school, yeah? Okay, many schools ask students to wear uniforms. Many schools, it means lots of schools ask them to wear the uniform, yes. If we have like this, we should say that why it's important, what kind of classes they have for wearing the uniform, and what kind of necessities we have in the wearing of the uniforms. And we should have also for this one, for this thingy, the counter argument of it. Counter argument is the opposite of our ideas. Okay, now many schools ask students to wear the uniform, and the hook is introduce the topic. Introduce the topic. In order to introduce the topic, you have to give the overall opinion for the wearing the uniform. The firstly in the introduction part. Okay, and then some people agree with this idea, and some people do not. And it is the background. Background. What is the background? Background, it shows that both sides, who want, who don't. Okay? Ideas, and some people do not. Someone agree, someone is not agree. In counter argument essay, in argumentative essay, we have 2 points: yes and no. Okay? And then I think students should wear school uniform because it makes everyone equal to help them focus and keeps the school more organized. The first opinion is that everyone is equal. You see, it's the first reason. First reason for these argumentative basis. And thesis statement is clearly states what writer's opinion. Writer's opinion, it means if you are writing the essay, you are writer. I am writing the essay, I am the writer. Here is the writer is me, and the equality is my opinion. You see? In introduction part, you have to write your opinion. Okay? And my opinion is everyone equal, focus, keeps the school more organized. And I have here 3 ideas, main ideas for the wearing the uniform. You see? And the next part is body paragraph. Body paragraph. In body paragraph, everyone is equal. I have 3 points, yes? And in body paragraph, I will prove my first opinion, everyone is equal, yeah? First uniform help all students to look the same. Look the same, it means everyone is equal. No one is rich, no one is poor, yes? If you wear the school uniform, the same your position it means, yeah? topic sentence, the main reason. This one is the topic sentence, and this one is main reason is all students look the same. You see? The next one. It doesn't matter if they are rich or poor. Yes, rich or poor. It doesn't matter. It means. Next one, no one feels bad about their clothes. Clothes are the same, and no one feels bad. Next one, there is less bullying about the fashion. No one talks about the fashion. Yes, if you have the same clothes, it means no one bullies that you are poor. Your uniform is not good. Like this, here will not be such kind of problems. Yeah. Supporting details. Supporting, it means you have to give the reason why you agree for this statement. Okay? Supporting details explains why uniforms create equality. As Nilüfer says that you will support and explain your idea, why it's good. I am here explaining why it is good. Wearing uniform, it's equal for everyone. Why it is? It is because of no one is rich or poor, because of their clothes feels no bad, the second one, and bullying, the third one. I prove that the wearing the uniform is equal. Yeah. Next one, and this one is only for 1 point, only for my 1 point. If you want, you may add 1 more or 2 more body paragraphs. Body paragraph 1, 2, and 3. Here can be. It's allowed for argumentative essay. If you have the 1 point, you have 1 body paragraph. If you have 2 points, you have 2 body paragraphs. Okay? Here is, in order to be easier, I give just 1 body paragraph. Next one is counter argument. Some people say uniforms. Is it counter argument and refutation? What is a counter argument and refutation? Who knows? Counter argument. What is it?
It's the opposite side of the idea.
Yes, opposite side of our ideas. Some people say uniforms stop students from showing their idea. It doesn't matter if you agree the uniform is good, but you have to give what? You have to give the counter argument in order to be equal. Okay? Some people say uniforms from showing their style. Counter argument is other side of the topic, other side, opposite side of it. But students can still show their ideas and personality in other ways, like speaking, writing, or art. Some, not all of them, some people it says that stop students from showing their style. Are you agree with this statement? What do you think, guys? Are you agree?
Yes.
Or not? Which ones? For which point do you agree? Wearing uniform or not? Wearing uniform. During the wearing the uniform, can you show the hairstyle or it's something uncomfortable for you? Is it comfortable?
No.
Yeah? Okay, now the next one. Okay, refutation answers and disagrees with the counter argument. This one is counter argument and this one is answer for your counter argument. You see? Counter argument is the opposite idea. Then, and you have what?
Paraphrasing.
It's not paraphrasing, it's answer for your counter
It's
argument.
like a solution.
Yeah, we can say that it can be the solution. For example, you see? Okay. It stops the students. It's your counter argument for your idea. You see? It stops students from their style, yes? And it is what? It is counter argument. And refutation is answer for your counter argument. Why it stops? Students still show their ideas like speaking, writing, or art. You see? Counter argument verdiğiniz, siz counter argument kelime veriyorsunuz, refutation veriyorsunuz. Refutation, o şey counter argument izleyen, counter argument izleyen. Cevap olarak sözler. Speaking, yok ki art, yok ki writing boyunca uzunluk koşuluşu mümkün. Is it clear now? Okay. If it's clear, move to the next part. It's a conclusion part. It's a conclusion part. After the writing all the bodies, you have to conclude that your second conclusion, your school uniforms are good idea. If your idea in the introduction is about the wearing the uniform, then conclusion also should be about the wearing the uniform. Okay? And in my essay, you see in conclusion, school uniforms are good idea. Restate the opinion. They make students restate. It means you have to give the strong opinions for this. They make students equal, help them focus and improve the discipline. It means you give one more idea, yeah. You prove your idea, and then you give in order to be strong, you give one more sentence. That's why I believe all students should wear school uniform. Is it clear now? Is it clear?
Yes.
Can you now? And then we have the list of topics here. You will choose one of the topics. All of you choose one topic, and then we will try to write the thesis statement, counter argument, and the conclusion. Okay? Can you? Okay. Here's a list of topics: education and school life, technology, and media. Here is the 11 list of topics. You may choose all from them, one of them. What will we choose? Should the students wear school uniform? It was. For my essay, okay, here we have homework is necessary about the mobile phones, about studying alone in groups, later in the morning, or in the technology we have the TikTok, GTP, which is very famous for nowadays. What you will choose?
We choose study in groups.
Which one?
Force.
Force or source?
Force.
Force. It's better to study in groups or alone?
Yes.
Okay, now you choose one topic. It's better to study alone or in groups. In order not to start yet. In order to write the essay, now you have to 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, you will write 3 thesis statements for this one. Okay? If you agree in a group, you will write 3. If you not agree, you will write about learning alone. Okay? 3 thesis statements. 10 minutes. Please, you may start. Look, have you done it?
Yes.
Have you written?
Yes.
Okay. Who will start? Read the thesis statement.
I believe that studying in group is better than studying alone. One reason to support this is with group you can learn and answer in public. You will not be shy. You learn how to explain your opinion in the public. Another reason is with your group you will not be alone. It is good studying with your friends. Therefore, you can talk with them, change with your opinion. Finally, you can feel comfortable with people.
Good, excellent one, and excellent thesis statement. And she proved her thesis the statement. Yora, let's start.
In my opinion, studying is group better for me because it's fun to study in a group with children. Reason because children come up with different ideas and become competitive.
Become competitive. Yes, Ramis. Do you have Ramis the thesis statement or not? Yes. Okay. Can you?
Can I have one comment?
Yeah, just one. It's enough. If you have one.
Alone.
You choose alone.
Because if you read alone, you can answer freely without being embraced. There are many people in the group, so I am embraced to answer and to both them.
Okay, good. Who have? Okay, so.
One reason to support this is it's good to study together because it's easy to learn everything together.
Everything together, party is over.
We can be communicating in different community. For example, school children may meet new friends through studying at school visit.
Okay, who has more? Okay.
On the one hand, to study in groups better than alone, it seems to be advantageous. First and foremost, if you study in groups, you can discuss the question you didn't understand. What is more, it's not boring to study in groups. Last but not least, if you need something, you can just ask what you need. My counter-argument is if you are shy, you can ask questions, but it is bad. In order to solve it, I think we should discuss with public, share our opinion, and we should make some sentence to add in
Clearly? Or
clearly
add
to-
more ideas?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now you have an introduction part, yes? You have already the introduction part, you have a thesis statement, you prove it, and it means you have a body part, you have a counter argument, it means you have an introduction part and the body paragraph. Just you have the legal one, which you have no, it's just conclusion, yeah? You have no conclusion, good. Who else? Nilüfer.
A growing number of people believe that study alone is better than group since it can make discipline around us without distractions and it helps to learn better. From my perspective, to learn alone can make people disciplined. On the other hand, learn alone is more comfortable for students. This is because to study alone effective for us. Finally, study alone more effective than group.
Then group work. Okay, you have your thesis statement, you prove it, yeah? You have no counter argument yet. Yeah? Good. Do you have?
Yes.
The last one.
In my opinion, it's better for me to study alone because it's easier to understand. You can go to the whole lesson at home.
Good. Good. It's okay. Now you have 2 minutes in order to change your thesis statements. Change your thesis statements, please, with your peer. Change it. Change it. Read it. After the reading, you have to give your opinion about the thesis statement of your peer. You have to give your opinion in order to give, is it a good thesis statement or not? And you can give, you should give the feedback for your peer. Okay? You have done 2 minutes. Is it enough 2 minutes? Okay, let's start. One minute left. One minute left, guys. Please be quick. Have you done?
Yes.
Okay. Have you feedback?
Yes.
Yeah. Who wants to give the feedback? Let's try something.
I am agree with thesis statement of my peer. Her thesis statement is very strong.
Good. Thank you, Warren. Who else?
This thesis statement is very short, but I agree with her. The reason is that the answer is very short. Conclusion is very short, I think. But I agree with my thesis statement of her.
Of her. Okay, good. Now, guys, if you remember in my PPT, you saw the counter argument and refutation. Can you remember it? Should I show it one more time? Counter argument and the refutation. You give the counter argument and the refutation. In order to give counter argument, it should be the opposite your opinion, and then you give to the refutation an answer for this counter argument. You have a minute. You have a minute. 1, 2, 3. Let's start. Just one counter argument for your one thesis statement. It's what? Yeah. You can read if you have the written version. You can read it. It's okay. Have you done?
Yes.
Okay. If you have done, who have a counter argument and a refutation? Who have? Arif?
On the flip side, it has its negative effects to our study. This is simply because children cannot give attention to their teachers all the time, as our friends can disturb us during the lesson. However, if teachers control school children very well, so there can't be much distraction in the class.
Good. Who have one more? Who have?
If you study in groups, you can discuss a question you didn't understand. So if some people are shy, they can ask a question. What they need to do? I think they should discuss with public people and discuss their opinion
Their opinion.
to clearly the sentence.
Good. Have you heard? Okay.
To begin with, to study group can take attention away. On the other hand, not all students work with interests. This is because to study not interested for everyone. Finally, study alone affects them.
Good. You have a counter argument, you have a refutation. Now, please think about your conclusion. While Diora is answering, you think about your conclusion. Can you?
Yes.
Diora, your answer, please.
It's good to study alone. I can learn a lot of, but it's for me boring because it's better to study with others.
With your peers, with the group. Okay. Now we have counter argument, we have the refutation, we have the introduction, title statement, we have all things correctly, yes? And then we have to conclude. In conclusion, can you remember it? You have to prove your first thesis statements in the introduction, what you agree or disagree. If you agree, in conclusion should be agree, yeah? If you're not agree or you are disagree, in conclusion also should be disagreed opinion, yeah? Okay, who have the conclusion already?
In conclusion, learning with groups is very comfortable, and if we have bad sides, learning with groups, we can make it for good sides.
Beautiful.
To conclude, there is no doubt that study alone is effective than group, and it's just my opinion.
It's just your opinion. Who have the conclusion? One more.
Studying
Conclusion, please. Conclusion, please.
Studying with group makes us communicative anytime.
Anytime. Okay. One more conclusion, please. Who have conclusion? Have no any ideas? Okay. If you have no conclusion, okay, you will do it at home. You will sit alone, thinking about the conclusion, and you write it. Okay. And at the next lesson, we will check your conclusion. Now, the last one, I will give you the handouts, which you have to put the grades for your peers' essay. Do you remember your peers' essay?
Yes.
If you remember, you have to put the grades for your peers. Be quick. Grade your peer. From 1, you have to score each from 2 to 5. 1 is poor, 5 is excellent. Okay? You will give the grades for your peers. Be quick. Peer editing. You see? Your peer?
Yes.
Okay. How old are you? Как зовут?
I disagree for her argumentative ideas. So I put 4.
4. Why you put 4? It's not enough strong. Yes? Your thesis statement of the hearing is not strong enough. Okay. One more time, Sultan.
I am agree her thesis statement, and I will put to her 5 score.
5 score. Okay. You have?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I put her 5 score because her thesis statement was very strong and I loved it.
You loved it. Okay. Who else? Who else?
I like Islam's answer because it's correct.
It was correct, and the statements are strong. They were strong. Who else? Who wants to give that feedback? Give the score. Diora, can you? Let's start.
I give it a 4.
Mhm.
A 4.
Because
I like the idea, but not everything.
not everything. It's not enough strong. Yeah. Okay. Good. And the last part of our lesson is to conclude our lesson. In order to give the reflection, you have to give. How to say? In your handout, you have the exercise. Write one sentence in order to complete our lesson. Complete our today's lesson. In order to complete our today's lesson, you have to give 3 sentences. One thing you have learned today. Second, you feel more confident about what? When you were confident. And the third one is one question you have. And who wants to read? Do you have already or not yet?
One thing I learned today is argumentative essay. I feel more confident about my
Group discussion, group work.
One question I still have is...
Do you have or not? You have no question. Good. Next one. Who else?
One thing I learned today is counter-argument. I feel more confident about my peers' idea and it's enough.
It's enough. Do you have a question?
No.
You have no question. Okay. Who else?
3.
Good. Have you, Islam?
One thing I learned today is writing an essay with reflection. I feel more confident about studying this group. One question asked.
You have no question. Okay, good. The last one is?
One thing I learned today is statement.
Thesis statement. How to write the thesis statement, yes?
Yes. I feel more confident about work together. This group. One question I still have is what's the between thesis statement and counter-argument?
Counter-argument. You see, if you have question, I'll explain it. Thesis statement is your opinion, and the counter-argument is the opposite of your opinion. You see, you give one opposite opinion for your main opinion. Opposite opinion. If you agree, you can give one reason for disagreement, and you will answer with the refutation. Okay?
Yes,
Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay, our lesson is over. Thank you for all of you.